The role of AI and automation in crypto trading. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, 24/7 trading hours, and rapid price movements, making it both an exciting and challenging environment for traders. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, and automation have emerged as powerful tools to navigate this dynamic landscape. By leveraging AI and automation, traders can analyze vast amounts of data, execute trades with precision, and manage risk more effectively. In this video, we'll explore the role of AI and automation in crypto trading, their benefits, challenges, and how they are shaping the future of the industry. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions. In the context of crypto trading, AI can analyze market data, identify patterns, and predict price movements with a level of speed and accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. Automation, on the other hand, involves using software or algorithms to execute trades automatically based on predefined rules or strategies. Together, AI and automation enable traders to make data-driven decisions, reduce emotional bias, and capitalize on opportunities in real time. One of the most significant advantages of AI and automation in crypto trading is their ability to process and analyze large volumes of data. The cryptocurrency market generates an enormous amount of data every second, including price movements, trading volumes, social media sentiment, and news events. Manually analyzing this data is nearly impossible, but AI-powered tools can sift through it in milliseconds to identify trends, correlations, and anomalies. For example, AI algorithms can analyze historical price data to predict future movements or monitor social media platforms to gauge market sentiment. This data-driven approach allows traders to make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Another key benefit of AI and automation is their ability to execute trades with precision and speed. In the fast-paced world of crypto trading, even a few seconds can make a significant difference in profitability. Automated trading systems, also known as trading bots, can execute trades instantly based on predefined criteria, such as price thresholds or technical indicators. This eliminates the need for manual intervention and ensures that trades are executed at the optimal time. Additionally, AI-powered bots can adapt to changing market conditions in real time, adjusting their strategies to maximize profits or minimize losses. Risk management is another area where AI and automation excel. Crypto trading is inherently risky, with prices often experiencing sharp fluctuations in short periods. AI algorithms can assess risk factors, such as market volatility and portfolio exposure, and implement strategies to mitigate potential losses. For example, an automated trading system can set stop-loss orders to limit losses or diversify a portfolio to reduce risk. By automating risk management, traders can protect their investments and maintain a disciplined approach to trading. AI and automation also enable traders to backtest and optimize their strategies. Backtesting involves testing a trading strategy on historical data to evaluate its performance. AI-powered tools can simulate thousands of trading scenarios in a matter of minutes, providing insights into the effectiveness of a strategy under different market conditions. This allows traders to refine their strategies and improve their chances of success. Additionally, AI can identify patterns and correlations that may not be apparent to human traders, leading to the development of more sophisticated and profitable strategies. One of the most exciting applications of AI in crypto trading is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can predict future price movements with a high degree of accuracy. For example, machine learning models can analyze price charts, trading volumes, and other indicators to forecast whether a cryptocurrency is likely to rise or fall in value. These predictions can inform trading decisions and help traders capitalize on market trends. While no prediction is 100% accurate, AI-powered analytics can provide a significant edge in a highly competitive market. Sentiment analysis is another powerful tool enabled by AI. The cryptocurrency market is heavily influenced by news, social media, and public sentiment. AI algorithms can analyze social media posts, news articles, and other sources of information to gauge market sentiment and identify potential catalysts for price movements. For example, if a major news outlet reports a positive development for a particular cryptocurrency, AI tools can detect the shift in sentiment and alert traders to potential buying opportunities. This real-time analysis allows traders to react quickly to market-moving events. Despite their many benefits, AI and automation in crypto trading are not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the risk of over-reliance on technology. While AI algorithms are highly effective at analyzing data and executing trades, they are not infallible. Market conditions can change rapidly, and unexpected events, such as regulatory announcements or security breaches, can disrupt even the most sophisticated algorithms. Traders must remain vigilant and be prepared to intervene if necessary. Another challenge is the complexity of developing and implementing AI-powered trading systems. Creating an effective AI algorithm requires a deep understanding of both machine learning and financial markets. Additionally, traders must have access to high-quality data and computing resources to train and deploy their models. For many retail traders, this level of expertise and infrastructure may be out of reach. However, the growing availability of user-friendly trading bots and AI-powered platforms is making these tools more accessible to a wider audience. Security is another critical consideration when using AI and automation in crypto trading. Trading bots and automated systems require access to exchange accounts and private keys, making them potential targets for hackers. Traders must take steps to secure their accounts, such as using two-factor authentication, 2FA, and storing private keys offline. Additionally, it's essential to choose reputable trading bots and platforms that prioritize security and transparency. The regulatory landscape is another factor to consider. As AI and automation become more prevalent in crypto trading, regulators are paying closer attention to their use. Some jurisdictions have implemented rules to govern algorithmic trading, such as requiring traders to disclose their use of automated systems or imposing limits on high-frequency trading. Traders must stay informed about the regulatory environment in their region and ensure that their activities comply with local laws. Despite these challenges, the role of AI and automation in crypto trading is only expected to grow in the coming years. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and strategies emerge. For example, the integration of AI with decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms could enable new forms of automated trading and yield farming. Similarly, the development of quantum computing could revolutionize the way AI algorithms analyze data and make predictions. The future of AI and automation in crypto trading. The future of AI and automation in crypto trading is bright, with new technologies and applications emerging regularly. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, we can expect to see even more accurate predictions and smarter trading strategies. The integration of AI with blockchain technology and decentralized finance (DeFi) could unlock new opportunities for automated trading and yield generation. Additionally, advancements in quantum computing could revolutionize the way AI analyzes data and makes decisions. In conclusion, AI and automation are reshaping the cryptocurrency trading landscape, offering traders powerful tools to navigate the market's complexities. By leveraging these technologies, traders can enhance their decision-making, improve efficiency, and achieve better results. However, it's essential to approach AI and automation with caution, ensuring that you understand the risks and implement robust risk management strategies. With the right approach, AI and automation can be valuable allies in your crypto trading journey. Discover how AI and automation are revolutionizing crypto trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below.